The Cayenne EV sedan came as inspiration for the Cayenne's interior design, which includes a dashboard with up to 3 screens. To create room for a storage nook on the center console, a toggle shifter is installed on the dashboard. In most cases, Porsche gives customers the freedom to customize the Cayenne to their own tastes. In addition to standard features like heated and ventilated front and rear seats, the Cayenne provides desirable upgrades like more supportive front seats with massage and 4-zone climate control. The interior trim, seatbelt colors, and surface materials can all be customized, though almost always at a high price. The Porsche has 2 rows, but competitors such as the Audi Q7 and Volvo XC90 have 3, however the Cayenne's back seat can be modified to provide ample legroom. The whole width of the dashboard in the Cayenne is occupied by a wall of digital displays that are visible to the driver and front passenger. A 12.3-inch touchscreen with wireless support for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay sits in the middle. The 10.9-inch secondary, optional, front passenger display is located to the right. According to Porsche, this display can stream video material because it has a safety feature that hides it from view from the driver. Located behind the steering wheel, an exclusive 12.6-inch screen for the driver displays various information such as trip information, vehicle speed, and a tachometer. The Cayenne is equipped with a slew of driver assistance features to help keep passengers safe. Every model includes front collision warning and parking sensors on both ends. It even has night vision capabilities with an optional infrared camera.